Hello dear students. Last day we have studied number of zeros of a polynomial, or how can we find out the number of zeros from the geometrical representation. Okay, today we are going to study the not only number of zeros, the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the terms. Yeah, relationship between zeros and coefficients of the terms of a quadratic polynomial. Okay, before starting quadratic polynomial, we can start from linear polynomial. Okay, yes, we all know that ax plus b is the general form of a linear polynomial. If we write the linear polynomial equation, we can write ax plus b equal to 0. Yeah. For a linear polynomial, there is one and only one zero. How can we find out the zero of this polynomial? Zero means we have to find a value. When we substitute that value to x, total answer will be 0. Is it? Such values are known as zeros. Here ax plus b equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of x. Yes. So ax equal to minus b. Plus b while transposing minus b. So what is x? Minus b by a. For a linear polynomial, there is one and only one zero. That is minus b by a. Is it? Yes. In the case of a linear polynomial, the x is the only one. If the linear polynomial in x, that is x is its value of x is the 0. Yes, how it relates? That is x equal to minus b by a. 1 0 equal to minus b by a. That is minus of this b is the constant. Minus of that b by coefficient of that x. Here in this chapter we have to study relationship between quadratic polynomial, zeros of quadratic polynomial and coefficients. Okay. We can consider a quadratic polynomial, a quadratic equation 2x square minus 8x plus 6. Okay, very sure that it contains maximum, it has maximum 2 zeros because it is a quadratic polynomial. In the last class we have studied for a linear polynomial at most 1 0, for a quadratic at most 2, for a cubic at most 3. Okay, then here, yeah, maximum 2 zeros will be there. Here we have to find out what are the zeros. For that one, 2x square minus 8x plus 6, a quadratic polynomial now equal to 0 means it is a quadratic equation. How will you find out the zeros? Here 2, 8, 6 multiply 2. So I can take 2 common out. It will be 2 into x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. From here we can directly write x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Why? 2, yeah, never 2 becomes 0. Only the chance that is x square minus 4x plus 3 will be 0. We know that 2 is a constant not equal to 0. We can't make that a 0. So x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation that is x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we all know that this quadratic equation is in the form of which one? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. We've already studied one algebraic identity, that is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab equal to what? X plus a into x plus b. That is, we can factorize this x square plus a plus b into x plus ab as x plus a into x plus b. Same way, given we got x square minus 4x plus 3. That means we have to find out a and b. This a and b such a way that sum is negative 4 and the product is 3. A plus b is minus 4 and a into b equal to 3. Which are the numbers? Negative 1 and negative 3. Why? Negative 1 into negative 3 is positive 3. Product AB, that is multiply. Negative 1 into negative 3 is positive 3. Negative 1 plus negative 3 is negative 4. So here A equal to what? Negative 1. B equal to negative 3. Okay, I just explained only. If you know this method, no need to write this step. Okay, now we can write x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. That we can write which one? X square plus minus 1 plus minus 3 into x. Sorry, here 3. 6, 3 already taken, here 3. Plus minus 1 into minus 3. That one equal to 0. Yeah, x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b means x plus a. That is a is minus 1 into x plus b. b is minus 3 equal to 0. X plus minus 1 equal to 0 means we can write x minus 1 into x plus minus 3 is x minus 3 equal to 0. If x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to 0, what we can tell? Either x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Yes, if x minus 1 equal to 0, what is x? X equal to 1. If x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Now we got two values for x, that is 1 and 3. That are, what are the zeros? Zeros are 1 and 3. Yes, for the quadratic polynomial, 1 and 3 are the zeros. Yeah, dear children, after getting 0, what we have to do? We have to find a relation between the sum of these zeros and the coefficients. Okay, listen, dear children, 1 and 3 are the two zeros. Then I am finding the sum. What is sum? 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Yeah. Before that, we can consider our equation. We considered equation as 2x square minus 8x plus 6 equal to 0. Now we got the sum of the zeros equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Is there any chance? That means we have to get a number 4. Get a number 4. Is there any chance that is by dividing any two coefficients to get 4? Can you find out? Yes, 8 by 2 equal to 4. But here not only 8, minus 8 is the coefficient of x. Is it? Coefficient of x is minus 8. Minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. But we have to get a positive 4. How can we convert minus 8 as positive 8? Minus of minus 8 is positive 8. That is minus of minus 8 by 2 equal to positive 4. Yes, we can tell here what minus of, what is this minus 8? Minus of coefficient of ex. Is it? Coefficient of ex divided by what is 2? Coefficient of x square. Is it? That is sum of the zeros we can write. How can we write the sum of the zero? Negative of coefficient of ex by coefficient of x square. Negative of coefficient of ex by coefficient of x square. Listen, dear children, while writing, don't forget to put this negative symbol for coefficient of x. Okay, then, yes, 2x square minus 8x plus 6 is the one equation. Yes, one case, one example we consider. Then sum we wrote like this. Yeah. For the same equation and for the same zeros, what is the product? Yes, product of zeros is 1 into 3. 1 and 3 are the zeros, product of zeros. 1 into 3 equal to 3. Can you get a 3 from this? Yeah, 6 by 3 equal to 6 by 2. What is 6? Equal to 6 is the constant term. Constant term, constant divided by what is 2? Coefficient of x square. That is, we got the relation that yes, sum of the zeros equal to negative into coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, and product of the zeros equal to constant by coefficient of x square. Is it? To remember this, or generally we can write, or that is I think you can use this method. This is the simple way to to remember. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the general form of a quadratic polynomial, then yes, it's two zeros we have to find out. This is the general case. Then two zeros, if the two zeros are there, then sum of the zeros equal to what is coefficient of x, negative of coefficient. What is the coefficient? B by coefficient of x square, a. Sum of the zeros equal to minus b by a, and its product equal to what? C by a. Yes, dear children, for a quadratic equation, its sum of the zeros equal to minus b by a, and its product is c by a. Product equal to c by a. Yes. Then, okay. We can rewrite this one. For a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c equal to zeros, if alpha and beta, two Greek letters, if alpha and beta are the zeros, these are the zeros. Yes, just imagine if alpha and beta are the zeros, then alpha, sum means alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta equal to c by a. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta equal to c by a. Okay. Yes, dear children, I think you understood how to find, what the relation. Listen, dear children. Question is, so we have a linear quadratic equation will give, you have to find out its zeros. After getting zeros, you have to verify it by finding the sum and product, whether it is minus b by a or c by a. Okay, we can move to a question. It is, find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10, and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, x square plus 7x plus 10. Okay, given polynomial is x square plus 7x plus 10. Okay, we have to find its zeros. So to find out the zeros, we can write this as x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Yeah, listen dear children, here we have to find the numbers, two numbers, such a way that product is 10 and the sum is 7. Product 10. And which are the numbers? Product 10 means we can write like this. 1 into 10. But 1 plus 10 is not 7. 2 into 5. 10. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Yes, we got that is 2 and 5. So x plus 2 into x plus 5 equal to 0. Then what is x? X plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 5 equal to 0. If x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. X plus 5 equals 0 equal to x equal to minus 5. We got two zeros, one is minus 2 and one is minus 5. Okay, then what we have to check? Yeah, whether the sum is minus b by a or not. Yes, our given equation is x square plus 7x plus 10. Okay, here a equal to 1, that is coefficient of x square. B equal to 7, C equal to 10. Then we got 0 alpha s minus 2 and beta another 0 s minus 5. Then what is alpha plus beta? Minus 2 plus minus 5 minus 7. Okay, minus 2 plus minus 5. Then whether it is minus b by a, minus what is b? 7 by what is a? 1. Is minus 7 by 1 equal to minus 7? Okay, that is we can write here alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Okay, same as what is alpha into beta? Minus 2 into minus 5. What is minus 2 into minus 5? 10. Yeah, is it c by a? Yes, that is 10 by 1. That is equal to c by a. Yes, then we can write alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta equal to c by a. So, verified. Okay, dear children. Like this, so many problems given in textbook that you try and do yourself.